let's see the ingredients for this lovely mango toffee. Here I have 2 cups of smooth mango pulp. Please watch the video till the end because there I will explain how I made this pulp at home. This is 150 grams of milk powder, half a cup of milk, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of ghee or clarified butter. So let's begin with today's recipe. Now here I have greased a tray with some ghee and lined it with some butter paper. Here I'm going to be heating a pan on a medium flame, and to that I'm going to be adding the milk. Next I'm going to add in the ghee. Now we do require a little more ghee, as you can see, because this will enhance the flavor of the toffee, as well as it will act as a preservative and it will give it a much longer shelf life as well. Now mix the two really well together till you cannot see the ghee anymore and it just looks like regular milk. Now using a non-stick pan for this recipe really helps, because then the toffee gets ready very quickly and it doesn't stick to the sides of the pan as well. Now let the mixture come to a gentle boil like this, and now we're going to add all of the milk powder. Now we're going to stir this till all of the milk powder gets nicely blended with the milk and the ghee, and you don't have any lumps in this mixture. So take your time and with your spatula, or you can even use a whisk the mixture really well till you have no lumps in it at all. You have to get a very smooth mixture. This is equivalent to, khoya or mawa. This is the way you can make it at home. You don't need to buy store-bought mawa or khoya. Now you can see that the mixture has become very smooth and it is also leaving the sides of the pan. So now our mixture is nicely thickened, as you can see, and it's ready to be used for the recipe. Now, so this you can use as mawa or khoya for any other recipe as well. Now I'm going to add the mango pulp to this mixture, and we're going to stir the mixture really well so that you don't see any white but only the lovely mango color. And now we're going to add the sugar. Now you can also skip the sugar. If the mangoes are really sweet, you don't need to really add the sugar. Or you can even add as much or as little as you want. And now you're going to stir the mixture continuously for 10 whole minutes till it starts to thicken. After 10 minutes, you'll find that the mixture has really thickened up and almost reduced to half its quantity, like you can see. We're going to mix this and stir this for another 10 minutes. So continuously stir it, don't leave it unattended, otherwise it will stick and it will really turn into something else altogether. So now keep on stirring and you will see that it starts to leave the sides of the pan and moves together like, one homogeneous body like this. So stir it for another 5 minutes and our mixture is all ready. And now just transfer the mixture into the lined tray. And then we're just going to use a spatula and just flatten the mixture up. Remember, it's very hot, so please be careful. It's piping hot. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of ghee to the back of a vati or a glass, just to smoothen out to the top. The aroma in my kitchen is just fabulous and I just can't wait to dig into this lovely toffee. And now, since it is very thin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double it up by folding it like this, so I get thicker pieces of toffee. So just double it up into half. And now you're going to cut it up into squares before we refrigerate it, because once we refrigerate it, it will be a little bit difficult to cut. So after this, just refrigerate it for 1 hour, minimum at least 1 hour, and our mango toffee is all ready. This is so amazing. It's so delicious. It's soft and chewy, and you just can't stop at one. And now I'll show you how to make a smooth mango pulp at home. So here I've taken 2 medium-sized Alfonso mangoes, washed them really well, packed them dry. Now I'm going to cut off the tips or the top of the mango and discard that. Now there are many ways of getting mango pulp. This is just one of the ways. Then I'm just going to cut the sides like this. And then I'm just going to cut them into small cubes like this. And then the बाट or the seed, I'm just going to take off the peel, and using a spoon just scrape up as much pulp as I can. Now you can directly put the whole thing into the mixer, but I like to mash it up first with my masher and then transfer it to my mixer to get a very, very smooth paste.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.